Hey, what's up guys, it's AMD here today, and today I have my Dell monitor and my Dell desktop right here, and today we're gonna unbox it. I did get a Mac, as you can see on my Instagram, but it just didn't fit my needs of editing, so I went and returned it. And this is basically the same price as the Mac, and I think it has better specs than the Mac, so yeah. Here's a HDMI cable, the monitor stand, we'll take it out. It's a stand, I think it's adjustable, yeah it is, it's adjustable. And we got some more cables, the power cord, we got whatever this is, we got the other power cord, and we got another cable. That's about it. It tells you how to set it up, and then there's a disc, and now we're gonna take out the big guy. Also, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. My PC broke, and I did a Mac unboxing as well, and today I went to go edit it, and let's just say it was like stupidest shit in the world because it was so hard. Here's what? Alright, I'm so confused right now, but here's another monitor stand, I guess, and
I think you put that on the bottom part.
I think so too, I don't know. I'll do a whole desk setup when it's all done. But here's the monitor itself. It's a nice Dell monitor, and I'm sorry for the background noise. We got company over right now, but I'm just gonna put this to the side really quick, and we're gonna take out the big guy that's gonna be powering all of this. I spent a total of $1,100, 1,200 maybe. My Mac was 1,270 with taxes, and this came up to be the equal same thing. This is the keyboard, which I probably will be using because I hate wireless shit. It's the annoyingest thing in the world. And yeah, the keyboard's nice and thin. I might upgrade later on. Good for now. That's the desktop itself, and I say that for later. Some paperwork about the free games. Alright, well yeah, we get 2 free games with this. I'm not going to show you that. Here's the mouse. The mouse is pretty simple. I have a gaming mouse, so it's not really going to matter. And here's another cable, hook it up to the monitor. And here's the thing that's going to be powering it. And time for the big guy. Dun-dun. Yeah, it's a Dell. It's really nice, actually. It's nice and slim. I'm thinking of upgrading it in the future, to be honest. I was gonna get an Asus, but this was a lot better. I'll read the specs if I could find them. It's right here. So it has an AMD FX-8800P Processor. It has a 2TB hard drive. AMD, I know I'm gonna say this wrong. AMD RADEON R9 360 graphics card. It has 16GB RAM, Windows 10, and has, yeah, I'll show you guys right now everything. It's right here. Inspiration. Focus, 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 there we go. And it has like a 1-year warranty, but yeah, this is it. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully this guy will produce a lot of videos for us. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Peace. I'm gonna go set this boy up, and then they'll hopefully do a setup tour. Peace.